Right, okay, yes folks, we got a credit for the channel now. Set of Dodgems, William Porter. These are built by CBK Technik in Poland. Manufactured in 2021. This one's down in Keynsham in Bristol, February 23. William Porter's screen machine there, walls up. 4L Fair Trade 2019. I think Charles has bought that big wheel we can see in the distance. It used to belong to the Rolands. Come on, send it. Yeah, this used to be, what it used to be. This is at the Adventure and Wildlife Park. You do have to pay separate to get into the Wildlife Park. Right.
Put your foot on the pedal and turn the wheel.
Oh, brutal. Oh, it's not easy doing this one-handed. Whoop! I got the brummy on my ass. Oh, the brummy's gonna mash me today. Oh, these are brutal. Where's that brummy? Mad! Somebody ought to tell these people from the West Country that there's one way round the track. Oh, the kid's losing it. Oh, we're stuck. Oh, there we go. Boys, CBK. That was good fun. Oh, like and subscribe. Funfair audits coming out, yeah.